Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Sagittarius. Sagittarius, today's reading is going to be different, guys. I'll be picking cards for your present love situation and your future of this connection. So, three cards for your present situation, guys, and three cards for your future of this connection. So these for your present and for your future, three more cards. And if you like this kind of reading and if you want this kind of reading, please comment and I'll be doing more of such readings for you guys. So let's see what are these cards for your present situation, Sagittarius. Strength, Six of Water, and Fool. With these cards, Sagittarius, for your present situation. Maybe for some of you, you are in a connection, guys, with a person whom you have love attraction, but sometimes when you are with them, you are simply thinking about your past, wishing that things were just like how it was before. So your past connection, about your past person, you are longing for them, comparing that past person with your present person, and maybe you are not happy with how things are going today in this love, in this connection. And you have that, but you have that cheerfulness and hope for your situation today. Maybe you are wishing that things may go differently for you hereafter. So, in your present state, Sagittarius, I see that you are maybe in some kind of troubles with this person, some misunderstandings may be there, and you are having that trust and faith in yourself, having faith that this connection will work and this relationship will work no matter how the situation is right now. So, you are having thinking of this circumstance as an experience, teaching you something valuable in life, teaching you what you need to do for your future, and you are making those efforts, waiting for things to go differently between you both. You have that patience and you have that determination and endurance for this love you have for this person, and you are in your heart of hearts, you are just wishing that things were a bit different, but you are having that strength and determination to rule out all that obstacles that you're facing today in your present condition, guys, in your present situation. So all that misunderstandings you have, or some fights, quarrels, whatever it is, you have that strength to face it and that cheerfulness and confidence, whatever you need. You are trying your best to be in a beautiful connection with this person. So, if you are able to heal today, guys, and I also see that you are moving towards something positive, you are healing, maybe with that understanding that things may be different at the right appropriate time. At that right time, things will manifest differently. So you have that patience and endurance, so that may help you in that healing. Maybe uh, the emotions that you have today, that deep emotions, you may be healing from that and having that acceptance for your present circumstance, guys. So whatever troubles that you're facing today, Sagittarius, I see that you have cheerfulness, confidence and faith in this person and faith in you, in this love. So let us see what is the future of this connection, guys. Sagittarius, it's Seven of Earth, Magician and Two of Earth. So, the future of this connection, Sagittarius, you are making huge efforts trying to adapt yourself, being really flexible. The same thing we saw with your present energy, guys. You are putting in lot of efforts. This may be your energy or your person's energy, guys. You are trying your best to be in this connection with this person, planning your strategy, planning your future together. So, finding that balance, finding that harmony in this connection, and one way or the other things will go towards something, guys, in your future. So whatever is manifesting, maybe it may be a beautiful connection, a beautiful positive connection, because of all that love and efforts that you are putting in today. Or if it is something different, you are going to make some important decisions, guys, in your future, whether you want this person or whether you want to change to sing the same song or not. So, whatever is the outcome, however, this connection is going to proceed. Maybe for some of you, it may work in a positive way, Sagittarius, but for some of you, this connection may not be what it seems to be today. So, you may uh, see yourself at some important point making some important decisions. You have to choose, you have to you will be making that choice, and you will make it with that clarity and that assurance in your heart, and it will be for that highest good of you. So whatever uh, efforts you make, no matter however you have tried, you have been really patient, or you will be more patient in your future, making those efforts, trying to build this relationship. However, you are still sometimes you need something extra to make things go right. So, that divine power. So, whatever is that will and wish of that divine power, that is what is going to manifest in this connection, guys. That is what is going to give that extra push. So, sometimes for some of you, things may align perfectly, and you may have this beautiful relationship with this present person. But for some of you, I see that it may not work that way, guys. You are going to let this person go because you um, cannot do something that is not destined for you, guys. So some circumstance may come up separating you both in future, guys. That is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius, for your relationship, guys, and that is the reading. I hope this reading resonates. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, Sagittarius.